Mbote. Hello and welcome to this lesson where we want to learn how to count numbers in Lingala from 201 to 300. And now I should point out from the onset that we will not count each and every digit, but I want to give you a general direction or guidance on how we count numbers between, let me say, between 200 and 300. Now, in our previous lesson, we reached the number 200, which we called Kama Mibale. So today, we just want to build from that Kama Mibale number that we reached, the number 200. And remember that we've already established a pattern of giving names to numbers in Lingala. So just like we said in our previous lesson, our base is the number 200, which we call Kama Mibale in Lingala. So for me, therefore, to say 200 and something, I'll need to say Kama Mibale na. Okay? So if the number is between 200 and 209, then I'll just add a single digit. For example, the number 201 will be called Kama Mibale Namoko. And then for the number 210, we will call it Kama Mibale Nazomi. Kama Mibale na Zomi, that I have 200 and I have 10. The number 216 will be read as Kama Mibale Nazomi Namotoba. 216 is Kama Mibale Nazomi Namotoba. And then 219 will be Kama Mibale Nazomi Nalibua. Kama Mibale Nazomi Nalibua. And then for number 20, I'll say Kama Mibale Natuku Mibale, because we say that tuku are tens. So Kama Mibale Natuku Mibale is 220. And therefore 223 will be Kama Mibale Natuku Mibale Namisato. 227 will be Kama Mibale Natuku Mibale Nasambo. Kama Mibale Natuku Mibale Nasambo. That is 227. And then if I go to 234, then it will be Kama Mibale Nantuku Misato Naminei. Kama Mibale Natuku Misato Naminei. So that is 234. And so you see, I'm actually just showing you how to do numbers on top of 200. So 249 will be Kama Mibale Natuku Minei na Libua. So that is 249. 256 will be Kama Mibale Natuku Mitano na Motoba. Okay, Kama Mibale Natuku Mitano na Motoba. That is 256. And then if I may go to a number, let's say 267. 267 will be Kama Mibale Natuku Motoba na Sambo. So that is how to say 267. And then for a number like 279, how do I go about saying that? So 279 will be kama mibale na tuku sambo na libua. Kama mibale na tuku sambo na libua. That is 279. So clearly, if you remember well, for numbers between 1 and 99, we just keep those, we transfer those numbers and add them on the hundreds. So in this case, our hundreds are 200. That's what I'm saying, tuku. That's what I'm saying, kama mibale. So for me to say 282, it will be kama mibale na tuku mwambe na mibale. So that is 282. Then 288 will be kama mibale na tuku mwambe na mwambe. So 294 will be kama mibale na tuku libwa na minei. So you take care of the 200, you take care of the tens 9 times, which we are calling tuku libwa, then you add the number 4. So therefore 299 will be kama mibale na tuku libwa na libwa. Kama mibale na tuku libwa na libwa. That is 299. And then for the number 300, you'll just say kama misato. So kama is 100. But when you have 100 and 100 and 100 3 times, then we say kama misato. So basically that's how to count numbers between 200 and 300. So you simply need to take care of the hundreds, then the tukus, which you are calling the tens, the groups of tens, and then finally you add on to the last digit. So I want you to practice saying the following numbers in Lingala, okay? 203, 217, 229, 236, 243, 259, 267, 277, 283, 297, and then 298. So the most important thing is for you to build the confidence, to know when you have to mention the hundreds, when you have to mention the groups of tens or numbers between 10 and 20, and then when you have to mention the last digits that we add on to those. So once you know that, then it will always be tuku mi kama mibale, that is 200, and then the tuku, if you have groups of tens, tuku, and then plus the number that you are adding on top of it. So in our next lesson, we'll learn how to count numbers between 300 and 400, and we will see that there is a pattern. So as we move forward, we'll just be emphasizing, we'll just more or less be polishing on the skills that we have already learned. So thank you very much for watching this lesson. Remember to do 3 things. Number 1, subscribe. Number 2, like my video. And number 3, share this video with friends, with relatives, with classmates, indeed with people who might have an interest in learning the beautiful language that is Lingala, Melesi Mingi, which means thank you very much.